Hello everyone, how are you? I think everyone is fine and healthy right now. So we will meet very soon. The topic that I bring for you today is the maintenance of platelets, and it is the last topic of subtopic circulation of life process. So what is platelet? As we know very well that there are three kinds of blood cells. There are three kinds of blood cells, that is called RBC, WBC and platelets. So what is the function of RBC? RBC helps to transport the gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now what is the function of WBC? WBC helps to fight with the germs. But the last topic, that is platelets. Today's topic is platelets. So what is the function of platelets? Today we will discuss on this topic, platelet. So platelet are the third kind of blood cells, and it has a very peculiar kind of functions. Have you ever thought that if there is a simple leakage in your hand, what would it happen? Obviously, all the blood that is present in your body will comes out through this leakage. And do you know, those persons who has no platelets in their blood cells can have this kind of problem, means their blood drain out through their body. The kind of disease is called hemophilia. Hemophilia is a kind of genetical disease which can cause from very beginning, and in this disease the child or the person do not have blood platelets in their body, and this cause the drain out of all blood cells from their skin, from their body surface. But we are very lucky. Do you know, there is a king in England, the family of Elizabeth is suffering from hemophilia. It is a genetical disease, means these diseases are transferred from parents to offspring. Obviously we will talk later on in this topic. So what is platelet? Platelets are those cells which helps to clot or make the blockage on the site of injury, so that blood cannot goes out through these opening. Yes, so platelets are very important cells, blood cells, which help to make the clot. It is mentioned by me over here. See, how does blood platelets helps? How does blood platelets help? It is mentioned here. First, it is the platelet which comes at the site of injury. Means suppose you have injury over here, the blood platelet will come with the blood and burst over here at the place of injury. They get bursted. Just bursting of the platelet release certain biochemical substances. Yes, these biochemical substances are nothing but the different kinds of enzyme. There are 13 kinds of factors, biochemical substances, which goes through the different chemical reaction, and this chemical reaction further help in the formation of clot. So bursting of platelet release certain biochemical substances. I have already told you there are 13 kinds of biochemical substances. They are called factors. Now third number point, these biochemical substances help to convert the dissolved fibrinogen. Yeah, plasma contain a certain protein. Contain a certain protein. This protein is called fibrinogen. Keep in mind, fibrinogen. This fibrinogen is converted by the biochemical substance into fibrin, means fiber, small fiber. Suppose just I am showing you, this is your hand or any body part from where injury has started and blood is coming out through it. Suppose this is the blood which is coming out from your body. So when the blood start coming at the site of injury, means this is the site, at the site of injury the platelet has come and burst and release certain chemicals, and these chemical combined with fibrinogen present in the plasma and convert it into fibrin, and this fibrin make a network at the site of injury, and this network do not allow to release further the blood from the body. It means this helps to make a clot with the dead cells. So it is mentioned by me in the point number 4. This fibrin makes a network at the site of injury and form thick sticky clot with some dead cells, and this clot blocks the path of the leakage. So blockage stopped, and you can see in the figure, it is already given over there. There is a leakage and all blood cells is coming out from the injury, and after the clot, that is fibrin, forms at the site of the injury, the blood cells stop going further from the leakage. So what is the main function of clotting? Why do blood clot? First, it prevents the further any loss of blood cells or blood plasma. So as you know, this blood is a very important and vital substance of our body, and it should not be released or goes out of the body. So it prevents the loss of this kind of substances. And second, it closes the entry, blockage closes the entry so that no germs could come inside and cause any kind of infection. So this is a very important part that is done by clotting. Clotting is very important for our body system, for protection of our body. And what is the another name of blood clotting? Blood clotting is also called blood coagulation. Keep in mind, blood coagulation. Blood coagulation is the another term that is given to the blood clotting. I think you understood. So happy learning. Make the note and submit it as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and keep healthy, remain healthy, be happy. Thank you.